Hello children, welcome back to math class. In your last class, you have learned keywords on addition. ADD, add, PLUS, plus, AND, and TOTAL, total, INCREASE, increase, MORE, more, SUM, sum, TOGETHER, together. These are the keywords in addition. Okay, you have also learned the spelling of addition. ADDITION, addition. Could you able to answer all these 5 questions in 5 minutes time? Very good. Now, here are the answers for you to check. So, 1 less than 26 is 25. The number before 71 is 70. So, 1 less or the number before is the same, right? It is nothing but it is asking you what is the before number of that number. Next, 1 more than 4 tenths is 41. One number, the number after 49 is 50. Okay. Now, rewrite from smallest to biggest. Here are the numbers. Okay. And the numbers, if we arrange from smallest to biggest, it is increasing order and it is also called as ascending order. So, it is 23, 46, 50. So, if you could get all the answers correctly and if you are able to solve in less than 5 minutes, then it's time to give star for yourself. Good job. Okay, so if you learn the speed math, if you can do the sums very quickly, it will be helping for you to solve the problems also. Now in addition, there are few tricks. Okay, these tricks will also help you to complete your problem solving more quickly. Let's look into the tricks. What are the tricks you have in addition? Counting on, tally marks, which you have already learnt as drawing lines, and make 10 and counting by tens, learning doubles and near doubles. If you learn all these tricks, you can solve the problems very quickly. Okay, now let's start with trick 1. Trick 1 in your math standard numerical operation for basic operation of addition is counting on. Okay, counting on. Counting on is nothing but counting forward. Like we say the numbers right in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is nothing but counting on. Okay, now count forward from 1 to 20 quickly. 20. Yes. Could you able to count from 1 to 20? Very good. Now, count forward and fill in the blanks. So, you have to start after 5 and then fill in the blanks. Okay. After 5, what will come? 9. So, if you get the answers will be 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is nothing but counting forward. Using this counting forward also, you can add any two numbers. Let's see how. Okay. In your math concept book page number 23, there is a all about trick 1 counting on. Let's read. In additions, counting on is a trick you can use. Okay. This is a trick which you can use in addition. If you have two numbers to be added, if you have any two numbers to be added, take the bigger number. Take the bigger number and start counting from there. Okay, you have to take the bigger number and then you have to start counting from there. If you have to add 7 plus 9, take 9 as it is the bigger number than 7. Okay, if you have to add 7 plus 9, you have to take 9. So 9 you will circle. Okay, you will circle number 9 and then you have to start counting on from 9. That means after 9 you will start. Okay, let's see how. Start counting on from 9, which means 10. Okay, the after number of 9 is 10. So how many times you have to count? You have to count 7 times because you are adding 7 to 9. So the numbers after 9. Okay, shall we count? Okay, after 9 it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, if you count forward 7 times after 9, then you will reach towards number 16. So, your answer is 16. Now, shall we solve these problems? Okay, watch the video.
Now, look at the sum. 6 plus 3. What is the bigger number? Circle the bigger number. Now, from 6, you have to count forward. How many times you have to count? You have to count 3 times forward. Okay. So, after 6, the number is 7, 8, 9. So, the answer is 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now, if you write the same sum in horizontal way also, the answer will be 9. The order doesn't matter. In addition or any other sum, the order doesn't matter. Okay, the answer remains the same. Now, let's see one more sum, which is 4 plus 5. In 4 plus 5, which is the bigger number? Circle the bigger number. 5. Yes. So, now from 5 you will count forward. How many times? 4 times. So, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Four plus 5 equal to 9. The next one is 3 plus 6. Now, in 3 plus 6, the bigger number is 6. From 6, you have to count forward. 7, 8, 9. See, 6 plus 3 is also 9 and 3 plus 6 is also 9. In addition, if you flip the numbers also, the answer remains the same. Next one, 6 plus 1 equals 2. This is very simple. The bigger number is 6 and after 6, if you add one more, it is 7. The answer is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. You can also do the sums.
Okay, so did you understand? If you write the numbers as 6 plus 3 in vertical or 6 plus 3 in horizontal way also, the order doesn't matter because the answer will not change. Now, 6 plus 3, what is the answer? You have to ring the bigger number 6, right? And after 6, you have to count 3 times forward. That is 7, 8, 9. So, you will write the sums in your math journal as today's task. 4 plus 5. Ring the bigger number 5. And after 5, count forward 4 times. It is 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 3 plus 6. Ring the bigger number 6 and count forward. How many times? 3 times. That is 7, 8, 9. Now 6 plus 1. It is 7. Also, do few more sums in your math journal as today's task. Now, it's time for speed math. Okay? Now, try to answer these questions in less than 5 minutes as today's speed math task. Okay? Good job. Shall I read the questions for you? The first question is count forward and fill in the blanks. You have to count forward and fill in the blanks. The second one is bring the bigger number. Next is 2 times 5. 2 into 5. Do you remember this numerical operation? This is multiplication. You already learned 2 table, right? You can write the answer very easily. 4 plus dash equals to 5. Equivalence, the number combinations of 5. Okay. Next is 10 plus 8. Try this. Try to solve this in less than 5 minutes and then be ready to wait for the answers in the next class. So that's all for today. Practice more sums on counting on. Bye. See you in the next class.